Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be fitting some new kidney grills on a BMW E92. So what we're going to do now is go outside and fit them. So I've taken one off already, so just to show you how many clips there are. So there's 3 at the top, 1 at the side and 2 at the bottom. So all you need to do is undo the screws, which are those. So to undo these you need a T30 and remove all of these here. So now I'll show you how to remove this one. So once you've removed them, gently pull the front of the bumper. The clips that are on about is this one here, and there's one here, one here, and then at the side. I can't get the camera down there, but yeah, there's one down there. So we'll use a plastic pry tool and we'll push down the clip. Very difficult to do. It's not as easy as what it seems. That one's already out. So the last clip, which always will be difficult. And now the top one's clipped back in. There we go. And there we have it. Taking it off without breaking any of the clips. So if I want to put this back on, I can do. Right, so what we'll do now is clean this area up and then go ahead and fit the new ones. There we go, all nicely cleaned. So that was just a quick wipe down. So what we'll do now is get the new kidney grills fitted. So as you can see, 2 clips at the bottom with those there, 1 at the side there, and then you've got your 3 at the top, which are those, all in the same place. So really this should just snap in, but we'll see. So what I'm going to do now is line it all up and then push it in gently. There we go, clicking into place. There we go. once you hear that click, you know they're in, so they won't fall out. There we go. What I'm going to do now is do the same thing as I did on the other side. Line them up. And then push them in gently until you hear the clicks. There we go. And there we have it. Grills. Kidney grills replaced. Was put the screws in place of where they come from, so I know that one is from there, that one from there, and so on. Don't need to put these on mega tight. Just a slight turn. Like I said, these don't need to be mega tight. And there we have it. Tool wise, as I said, a T30. Panel removing tools. And that's it. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe.